Hey kiddos, I have a science experiment for you guys today. It's patriotic themed since at the end of the week it will be the 4th of July. So give me 1 second to start it up and I will be right back. And we're back. So, for this experiment, you're going to need some corn syrup, vegetable oil, and water, a clear glass or a bottle that you can put all the stuff in, and then something to stir it with, and some food dye. So I dyed our corn syrup blue, I left our oil the way it was, and I dyed our water red. And we're gonna dump all of these into our glass here. And what I'd like you to do before I get started is to just take a guess and think about what you think will happen when we start dumping this stuff in. So let's start. I'll put in the oil first. And then I'll dump in the corn syrup. And our water. And then you just want to give it all a good stir. We can kind of already see what's happening in there. But let's take a closer look. So it's kind of hard to see because our bottles are, or our glass is a little thinner, so everything doesn't sit quite as well. But if it focuses there, you can see that on the top here, this is all of our oil. And then in the middle here where it's red, that'll be our water. And then down here at the bottom, this is where our corn syrup ends up sitting. So when you mixed all of these ingredients together, everything just kind of separates after you stir it. And the reason that happens is because all of these different liquids have different densities. So some are a little bit thicker and some are a little bit thinner, and that allows them to either sit at the bottom like the corn syrup, which is very heavy and very thick, or sit at the top like our oil is, which is a little bit lighter and is a little thinner. So if you tried this at home, you should be able to get all three of these liquids to separate, and there are some other liquids that you can try using too and see what happens. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can either try this one at home or try mixing a bunch of other different liquids together and seeing if you can get them to separate like this as well. See you in the next video.